What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed for the love of cars, and I am Jay Reed. So today I got to fix my headlight. Somehow my headlight got busted. I'm not sure how it happened, but it got busted. So now I have to replace it. So if you have a Jeep Compass and you have to replace that headlight, it's kind of a task, because you basically have to loosen up this entire front part right here, including these screws right there. Pull this out so you can get the light out and install the new one. So we are about to attempt that right now. So let's get this party started. So first thing we're gonna do, see if I got the right tools for the job. And these, as you can see, are torque bolts. These are regular sockets. These are torque bolts. So I'm going to have to go get my torque wrenches or whatever you want to call them to do that, because it's not right here. Okay, so now that I got my bits, these are torque bits. Let's figure out what size this is. I'm thinking it's probably a 15 or whatnot. Nope, not a 15. That's too big. It's a 20. So you're going to need a size 20 torque bit. It looks like that. The tip is different than a regular Allen or Phillips screwdriver. So let's take this 20 off of here. Okay. Okay, so now that we have the 20 on, let's get the taken off. Okay, so now that we got those screws out, that was relatively painless. Now we got to come in here and get these. You probably won't be able to get the cordless in here. The easiest way would be to turn my wheels in, and I might be able to. So let me go to the truck. Let me go to that. Okay, I got my wheels. And by the way, these two outside bolts, I don't think I mentioned it, they were 20 millimeter. They take a 20 millimeter socket. I take that back, a 10 millimeter socket. So we got my wheel turned in. I may can actually get my drill in here and make it a little quicker. There we go, 7 millimeter. Cordless drill. Going to switch that out. Cordless drill really makes your life easier. You can do things a lot quicker. And really didn't have to take those out. Just kind of had to loosen them. Let's come over here to this side. That right there for now. Ugh, beautiful. Come over here. You gotta pull this down a little. Pull. That's right there. Okay. Okay, so we got that one out. We'll want to pull this out a little bit. Believe me when I tell you, having the right tools helps tremendously. And knowing what you need ahead of time helps tremendously. I need something that's going to give me a little more leverage. There we go. So you take out these three screws. Don't lose them. Guys, remember what screw goes with what. Label them if you have to. Oh shit. I'm strip that here. Okay. So as you can see, I got the 3 screws out. It took a minute. They were in there kind of good. Now I've unplugged my light. It's sitting off down there. Now the light is out. It's a shame that you got to go through all of that just to replace this light fixture. So let's get the new one. What I do want to show y'all is when you're putting the light back on, there's some little slides that goes in there. So if the light is not going on good, you probably don't have it in those little slides. So be sure to utilize those when you are putting the light back on. So now we got the light back into the socket. I'm about to put the screws back in. Basically all you do to finish up this job is do everything in the reverse order. I hope y'all found some use in this video. If you have a Jeep Compass, this is how you replace the light. Hit that subscribe button below. I'm going to keep doing videos like this. Anytime my crap break down, I'm going to fix it so y'all don't have to go through what I go through. Anyway, this is your boy Jay Reed for the love of cars, and I'm out.